Hello, in this lesson we are going to take a look at the Remix IDE, which is an online integrated development environment which allows you to code in Solidity and do some really great testing. And it's in the browser, which is amazing. So this is what I'm actually going to be using for this series for programming in Solidity. You can test it locally. You can develop in other IDEs if you choose, and the code is going to exactly be the same. So I just want to get that out there. I will be doing this on a Mac, but because I'm doing it in a web browser, you can just follow along without actually having to do anything different with me because it's all in a web browser. So Remix IDE, you just Google Remix IDE, and you got the remix.ethereum.org website, which is the actual IDE side, and then you got this IDE page on GitHub, and there's a little cool section here. So this is what it looks like. We'll take a look at it in a second, and there's the option for offline usage. So if you want to go down the offline usage route, don't worry, that's fine. The instructions are here. I recommend online because that's like the whole, I'll say, the benefit of Remix. There's some online IDE, but if you want it locally, maybe you don't have internet connection or you don't have the best connection, you just want to make sure that you can develop all the time for Solidity. That one a bit messed up. For Solidity and create Ethereum blockchain dApp, so decentralized application. Then you can go down this route. There'll be links to all of these websites with the video, so don't worry about that. And this is what the IDE actually looks like. So this is just a basic application that they've got in here, and I will actually cover all these different sections, these buttons, what they do in a separate video, a overview of the Remix IDE, so check that out. And we'll cover exactly what this code is doing, but we'll just simply run it. Go to run, and we can select the contract. At the moment there's only one there. Click create, and we got this contract. So we can click get. It gets 0 because the get method should return stored data. Nothing has been assigned to it. So if we were to assign a value of 8, click set. There's a console here which tells you everything that's happening. See more details about a particular transaction, the gas amount required, which affects these accounts here. So these are just allow you to test. You can click debug and trace through the code. And obviously when I click set, the value that we put in here was this value, X value here. That got assigned to stored data. Now if I click get, it gets the stored data value. So testing it is really simple. But like I said, we'll be covering all the different aspects of the IDE. We'll be covering Solidity as a programming language, all the different things that you need to know about it, and so much more in this series. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.